You can order the battery used in the video on the CarParts.com website via the link in the description. Turn off the ignition. Set the parking brake. Pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. You should now be able to see the battery, which is located to the right of the engine compartment. Never start by disconnecting the positive terminal, since the whole car is connected to the minus terminal. This can create sparks that are dangerous to your car's electrical system. Using a ratchet and a 10mm socket, start by removing the negative terminal from the battery. Once the terminal has been removed, ensure you distance the cable to avoid untimely reconnections, which could damage the electrical network of the vehicle. Repeat the operation on the positive terminal. Hey, it's Alex from CarParts.com. If you enjoyed this video and want to support us, like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, back to work. To remove the battery, you have to unscrew the battery clamp. Using a ratchet, an extender, and a 10mm socket, fully unscrew the holding bolt of the battery clamp. You can now remove the battery clamp. You can now remove the battery. Sand the inside of the terminals with sandpaper to remove the layer of white oxidation and to avoid breakdowns in the long term. You can order the battery used in the video on the CarParts.com website via the link in the description. Coat the terminals with copper grease to improve the contact between the terminals and connections, but also to limit oxidation development. Take the new battery. Put the new battery in place and push it firmly into its frame. If you want to know which tools and parts we use in this video, just check the description and you'll find everything you need. Put the new battery clamp back in place. Then finish off the tightening with the ratchet. Start by putting the positive terminal back in place. Fix it in place with a 10mm socket. Then, put the negative terminal back on. Insert it fully before fixing it in place. Operation complete.